If you've ever shopped for a fish oil supplement, you know the biggest question is whether it's going to taste like fishy burps. I've been taking this sports research Omega-3, and honestly, that's the first thing I tried paying attention to. The soft gels are easy to take, and you only have to take one. I really like that they're made from wild Alaskan pollock. Most importantly, I have not noticed the fishy aftertaste or burps that can happen with other omega-3 supplements I've tried. It's been an easy addition to my daily routine, and so far I've been extremely happy with it. If fishy burps are what's holding you back from trying a fish oil supplement, this might be the one for you.